Hi everyone, I'm Leo the Scout. I love meeting new animals. Today, we are playing a game. Can you help me find out who is hiding? Let's go. Listen, do you hear that? Someone is hiding in this big tree. Huh? Who says hoot hoot? Is it a monkey? No. Monkeys don't say hoot. Look, it's an owl. An owl says hoot, hoot. Can you say hoot like an owl? Look at this little wooden house. And wow, there is so much mud around it. Someone is making a sound inside. Oink, oink. Who says oink? Is it a sheep? Haha. No, sheep love the green grass. Let's see who is in the house. It's a pig. The pig says oink, oink. Ho! Look at the tall grass shaking. Something big is coming. Purr-ee. Who says purr-ee? Is it a dog? No way. A dog is too small. Look, it's a giant elephant. The elephant trumpets. Purr-ee. Shh, be very quiet. I hear a tiny sound in the grass. Hiss. Who says hiss? Is it a cat? Nope, not a cat. Look, it's a colorful snake. The snake says, whiss.
Great job, everyone. We found the owl, the pig, the elephant, and the snake. You are a great scout. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.